This is Tim Staples, Director of Apologetics and Evangelization with Catholic Answers, and I have something for you to think about. 1 John chapter 5, verse 4, St. John tells us, "This is the victory that overcomes the world, even our faith." We are living today in a time of extraordinary darkness, with immorality. Truly, Shakespeare's words, "Fair is foul and foul is fair," have come to pass in our modern world. Sometimes we can look at it and we can be overwhelmed. We can feel powerless because of the evil that surrounds us. And yet those words of St. John, "This is the victory that overcometh the world, even our faith." Do you want to make a difference in the darkness that we see in this world? Learn your Catholic faith, imbibe it, allow God to vivify it in your soul and in your life, and you can be a part of the healing of this world that will only come through our one holy Catholic and Apostolic Church. God bless you.